Hello guys, this is Prime Concept. In this video, we want to consider a problem under combination of lenses that was explained in one of our videos. So when we have two thin lenses combined, what will be the combined focal length? So we have a problem under this. The question says two thin lenses are in contact. One is a converging lens of focal length 25 cm. Remember, the first is converging, which is a convex lens. And I mentioned that the focal length for a convex lens should always be positive. So it means that F1, which is converging, is going to be positive 25 cm. And the other is a diverging lens. So the second one is diverging, which is a concave lens of focal length 20. And we also mentioned that the focal length of a concave lens should always be what? Negative. So we have this because we have to consider the sign convention when we're applying the combined focal length, right? Then the question says, what is the focal length of the lens combination? That's the first question. What will be the combined focal length, which is F? And then the second part of the question says, is the combination converging or diverging? So when we determine the combined focal length, if the combined focal length at the end of the day is positive, it means that the combination is what? Converging. If the combined focal length at the end of the day is negative, it means that the combination is what? Diverging. So that is how we can determine that. Now at this point, if you have followed my video to this point and you are yet to subscribe, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment and share with your friends so that they can also benefit. And let's finish up the problem. Combined focal length has a relationship which is 1 by the combination equals 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. So we have 1 by f, the combination is going to be 1 by f1, which is 25 positive, then plus 1 by f2, and f2 is negative 20. So I would have that 1 by f is going to be 1 by 25 minus times plus is minus 1 by 20. So that if I solve and find my LCM is going to be 100. So I have 1 by f equals 100. So 25 in 100 is what? 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Minus 20 in 100 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. So this 4 minus 5 is minus 1 by 100. So that I'm looking for f, not 1 over f, so that f becomes minus 100 over 1, which is still minus 100. Now, you would notice that our combination, the focal length of our combination is what? 100 cm. Now, what does the sign tell us? The sign tells us, describes the nature of the combination. So since we have a negative, it means that our combination is going to be what? You are very correct. It's going to be divergent. So the combination is diverging with a focal length of 100 cm. So I believe this concept is clear. Please do well to hit the subscribe button. If you are here to subscribe, like this video, comment, and share with 10 of your friends. Tell them this is Prime Concept. Thank you.